Today we draw Rengoku. The outline of the eyes is straight. Two image leaves touch him. The painting is his eyes. Then put 3 circles inside his eyes. Just his eyeballs. His eyebrows. Tears are like a cleared willow leaf. It's just that the back of the willow leaf is forked. Look at it, there is nothing to worry about. Just make a little modification around the outline. The nostrils are just 2 dots. The outline of the mouth is like a small bowl. Draw 2 curved lines in the small bowl as his teeth. Waist silhouette. When drawing, be sure to fix the position of the chin. Then we set a point in another way. As his hairline. Use the way of drawing small thorns to draw his hairline completely. Then fix the point on the top of the hair. Peel off the paint later into his first layer of hair. His first layer of hair is particularly fried. You don't need hairspray when you go out. Then draw a second layer of hair from the top point. The position of the ears must be kept. Don't draw the ears at the end and forget to draw. And start putting his body. Slowly portray. The collar around the neck is relatively simple. Oh yeah, he has a layer of hair on the front. Almost forgot to draw. In this way, the approximate bear is drawn. Then modify the outline of the details inside. Hair shadow. The shadow on the face is slightly depicted with colored pencils. Be sure to draw the rest of the outline. And get out our markers and start coloring it. Because the outline is in pencil. So be careful when coloring. Otherwise, some places are like me. Leave a stain. Many people ask me why I don't use a hook. Because my previous style was pencil drawing. So we can't forget our roots about pencils. But to be honest, in this way, the style drawn will be more unique. If you want to use a hook pen, it is also fine. I want to draw an effect like mine. Must observe more. I use a number 7 marker pen. After painting the base color with a marker pen, then take out the colored lead line corresponding to the dark part for coloring. Because the clothes themselves are white. So use a pencil to line up and color directly. You see the outline drawn with pencil is still bling bling. Reflective, and then add a frame. Hey, perfect. See you again.